Okay guys, this is what's left of the chili. It's not that much in the pot. So what we're going to do is to stretch it so that it'll be enough for 4 people, because my husband has a big belly and so do my son. We're going to add some whole grain macaroni to this mix in order to stretch the meal. My husband added an extra can of diced tomatoes in there. And if you guys want to see where it first started from, check out my husband made chili video. And here's the whole grain macaroni. We're going to add this to the pot. And guys, listen, I have some amazing meals that will be coming up on this channel. I'll also be sharing meals for people with health problems, diabetics, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and heart problems, and a few other health problems. Do me a favor, guys. Even if you don't feel like subscribing right now, can you share the videos and just hit the like button? You know, and hopefully these videos will get to some people that can really use the ideas.
Mixed up pretty nice.
Yeah, don't that look deliciousness? Oh my gosh, look at that. And also, guys, I have a Christmas dinner video that I will be putting out in a couple of days. The video is going to be about cooking Christmas dinner for diabetics. Please check out the video. And like I said, if you don't want to subscribe, I really appreciate you just watching the videos. But if you can just hit the like button and share the videos, I would really appreciate it. Now tell me, guys, this isn't enough to fill a hungry belly.
Where's yours?
Oh, what the hell, man? I'm getting some of this. Happy eating.
Yeah,